Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Nvidia Control Panel not opening in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You just need to end task all Nvidia task from Task Manager. Just right click on it and select end task. And after doing this, just to close stuff here. And you just need to go to search menu and open the Nvidia Control Panel. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. Go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services you just need to search for Nvidia display container ls service. Double click on it and startup type set to automatic. If the service status is stopped, then you just need to select start and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you need to search for Nvidia local system container service. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. Go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type power cfg.cpl. Click on OK. Select change what the power buttons do. Select change settings that are currently unavailable, and you just need to uncheck this option guys. Turn on fast startup. Just uncheck it. Select save changes. Now you need to restart your PC and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to update your graphics card driver. You just need to open up GeForce Experience and select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update your graphics card driver, and after updating it you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.